Hello, beautiful people. It's a beautiful day today. Why is it a beautiful day, do you ask? Why? Because we're able to share today with you, and each and every one of us are able to be here today to see another day. So now, down to the business. Today, we are going to share 7 essential apps that we feel, we know, are must-haves for your time here or for living here in beautiful Mexico.
All right, guys, let's get started. In no particular order, I would like to start with number 1. Number 1 will be Google Lens. Google Lens is a must-have app because you put it to use immediately once you land over here in Mexico. It has worked wonders for us in the airport. I continue to use it in the grocery stores, and I also used it when I was looking over my lease. And you have to be patient with it because you can't just hover over and it's going to read so fast like that. It doesn't work immediately like that. You have to stand still. And once you stand still, you'll be able to read your lease, for example, since it's a long document, you can read in increments. So to me, I feel like that's something that works. That's amazing to me. So number 1 to me will be Google Lens. And I think that's an essential must-have app once you are over here in Mexico.
Number 2 is Currency Plus, and Currency Plus is a currency converter, and although there are a variety of different currency converters available, I found this one to be very helpful. You can pick from any country, it'll show you the flag of the country, and you can go ahead and have the conversion going to any country. So for example, mine is set to be Mexico converting over to USD. So I just use that anytime I want to find out, the equivalent of a peso to USD or vice versa. It also has an in-house calculator, so you don't have to close the app to go ahead and use the calculator. So if you're in the grocery store and you want to add up something really quickly, that's a nice feature. And there's a feature that I see that is listed as coming soon, where you should be able to, in the near future, either snap a photo or hover your phone's camera over an item in the store, for example, and it will automatically convert the item's pricing to what you have it set to. So that if it is coming available, that would be a nice feature, but don't become solely reliant on the currency converter. Make sure that you do become knowledgeable on the different conversions wherever you're living.
Of course, and if I can interject, this is one thing that we use. We put a previous video out about when we were going to the ATM, and this is the app that we had used, and it helped us understand the conversion rate. So like my wife was saying, number 2, Currency Plus is a must-have app while living over here in Mexico. Number 3 will be Rappi.
And Rappi is an app that is extremely helpful, especially now in the times we're living in with COVID during the pandemic.
And Rappi, guys, that's right, Rappi. Rappi is widely used over here in Mexico, and whatever you want, Rappi will go get. If I want some Nike shoes over in the city where we reside in Mexico, Rappi would go get my shoes for me. If you want some dog food, Rappi would go get the dog food. If you are feeling sick and want some cough medicine, Rappi would go to the pharmacy and get you some cough medicine.
And ladies, if you need some hair dye because your grays are coming out like mine, Rappi will go and get that too.
So Rappi, whatever you want, Rappi will go get, and that's something that's widely used over here. But keep in mind though, they ride around on motorbikes, so you can't overload them with things, but I'm pretty sure they will try it. But Rappi is something that's very convenient. You constantly seeing them around over here, and they also will deliver food from restaurants as well. So number 3 for us would be Rappi. Rappi is something that is a must-have while living over here in Mexico.
Number 4, it's a 2-for-1 joint. So Uber and Uber Eats.
Yep, Uber and Uber Eats. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's just like it is over in the United States. They run just as smooth as they do in the United States, and it works wonders for us because we don't have a vehicle over here, and the fares are fairly reasonable, to be honest with you, over here in Mexico. But it's to the point of you want something to eat, you go to your app, Uber Eats. Like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory over here. So we feel like number 4, that duo, Uber and Uber Eats, that's the number 4 must-have app over here while living in Mexico. We have reached number 5. Number 5 will be WhatsApp. WhatsApp is something that's widely used over here in Mexico, and we've noticed that, especially when we're looking for apartments, you always see on the banner saying contact us via WhatsApp. So we realized that that's what everyone over here was using, and it was very helpful for us, honestly, because we were able to text them and we were able to call.
It's also very helpful to talk to family and friends back home in the States. For example, the other night, I was on a WhatsApp call, video call, and there were 4 of us on a video call at one time. So it works wonders. And just keep in mind that while you're at home, you can use it on your Wi-Fi. If you leave Wi-Fi, it'll take a moment to reconnect, but if you have data, you'll be good to go. So number 5, which is my favorite, sorry, I have a favorite, WhatsApp.
All right, guys, we have made it to number 6. Number 6 would be Airbnb. Airbnb is something that you would need, of course, when you're visiting Mexico or moving to Mexico. You would need a place to stay, so it only would make sense for you to have Airbnb. Airbnb has been very helpful for us while being in Mexico because we were able to move around in different areas to see how we like the feel of each area.
Right, so with Airbnb also, you can go ahead and use the filters. For example, we have 2 small dogs, so we needed an Airbnb rental that would allow pets, and we also, due to my asthma, needed one that did not allow smoking. So we checked those filters and we were able to quickly find a good rental in the area that we desired. So definitely Airbnb, number 6, a must-have app here in Mexico.
All right, finally, we have reached number 7. Drum roll, please. Google Translate.
So Google Translate is pretty self-explanatory. Many people know about this app. You can use it to translate Spanish to English and vice versa, or any language for that matter. You can also have a 2-way conversation as long as you remember to speak slowly and loudly. Otherwise, it can mesh up your words together. For example, I was asking my landlord a question about a month ago about something on the gas tank and the roof, and it translated to that I was asking her, does she want to go out for margaritas?
Of course, she said yes, she would like to.
So just remember, speak slowly and loudly, and just, give it a break, because it's not gonna give you the exact translation, but it will give you, for the most part, the majority of what you need, the meat and potatoes. So that is our 7 must-have apps here in beautiful Mexico.
All right, guys, if you haven't or you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, like,
and don't forget, click that notification bell. That way you don't have to search and see, have we posted new content? That notification bell being active will alert you as soon as we post new content. And most importantly, comment, ask questions. We'd love to know what type of content you'd like to see in the future. What questions do you have about Querétaro, about us, about Mexico? So don't forget to comment. We appreciate you watching, and as always, ask yourself,
why not now?